morning, everybody. Mike Bakke, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures, and what we have is a lower band ride. We're in day 3, and you see price every day reaching up to tag that lower band, and then come back to close at or near the lows, and we're seeing that dynamic again today. The task before the bears is to not trade above 52 quarter, which was the high from yesterday, and to engage the lower band, which they've already done simply as a function of where we were when we opened last night. So for my part, I'm out of my swing shorts. It was an excellent trade. I am buying the mornings to get that move up to the lower band, and then shorting the move back down. So we were long 42 yesterday. Nice little trade up into the band. We're short in the afternoon. I'm long 40 right now. I've taken some profits. I'll take some more profits, and then should we exhaust up in the area of say 50 to 52, we would be looking to get short to move that back down. If we exceed 52 quarter, then you have to be thinking maybe it's time to bounce for a day or two. That bounce is a sell. But that's the indication that any kind of a band ride may be over. My instincts tell me, and the Bollinger Bandwidth tells me that it's only at 4.29, so basically 4.3, that a band ride could have a little bit more room to move. I do think we need to get out of the channel between the second standard deviation lower band and the third standard deviation lower band, and trade more in the area above it. As a function of gravity on the chart, you're going to get a bounce that way one way or the other. It's not going to stay in this channel for too long. The band will decrease and it'll pull it out one way or the other. So for my part, you want to be long for the pop into the band, then you want to be short to catch the move back down. You just trade them. So don't forget, we roll over into the June contract after the close today. So save yourself the heart palpitations when your March contract or your continuation chart jumps from March to June and you think you've lost $5 on your position. I always have at least one subscriber freak out and say, what happened? And it's just the roll. So save yourself the panic attack, and remember that we roll over into June. So I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, Princetontrader.com. Come check out the chat room, and I will see everybody then. Trade them well.